Is it going to be another summer for you where you have to stay home because you don't have any extra money to go on vacation or even plan? Or maybe you've been dreaming of taking your kids to Disney World, and that's been something that you really want to do for years now, but you just don't have enough money left over. Look, I totally understand. As a mom of two, you want to give your kids everything that they want, and I know within limits, right? But you want to provide for them. You didn't bring them into this world to just spend time on the couch watching movies all the time. You want to create memories with your families, memories with your children, memories that will last them a lifetime. I'm here to tell you that it is very possible. I have a digital marketing business. It is an online business that teaches me how to monetize all of my social media channels. It's taught me all of the skills necessary for a very high in demand industry. The online education space is making $1 billion a day. And friend, I'm here to tell you that a piece of that is for you as well. So imagine this. Imagine instead of saying to your kids, it's going to be another summer at home, imagine start planning your Disney vacation because you took the chance on yourself. You launched your business within hours, beginner friendly, and you now start making daily pay as much as $900 a day with just a 2-hour workday. Guys, that breaks down to $450 an hour. I don't know about you, but I personally don't know anyone else making that type of money, right? You want to know more? I want you to comment how. I would absolutely love to share, or you can also go to the link in my bio and follow it there. All right, I'll see you soon. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to help you get that summer vacation going.